Welcome back to our channel, and today we will show you how we face paint
Elsa.
For this design, I'm going to use the kraze palette, yes, and that it will be blue colors and blue. We're going to start in the middle. We can add some brush strokes on the sides, underneath the eyes. Which stencil would you like, Adriana?
This.
Yeah?
Right.
Our snowflake is very beautiful. I'm going to add a little paint and my glitter. Close your eyes, please. Okay, beautiful. For the next step, we're going to grab a brush. I have number 4. On the side, a couple dots. Dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 dot. Alright. Do you want purple eyeshadows like Elsa? Yeah. This is Fusion. I will have all the materials that I'm using listed in the description. Close your eyes, please, Elsa. Oh, so beautiful.
Hold on. I don't see.
I know. Let it dry for a second. Beautiful. Okay, so for the little details, I'm gonna grab number 1 brush and I'm gonna add like little tiny blink. Okay, I'm going to use a little brush to apply it. Add on another side as well. How beautiful! And our Elsa is ready! What do you think? Do you like it? That's so pretty! Beautiful
It
Elsa.
smells like that.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Like it? If you like this video, please give us thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.